Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Today we have with us the HP EliteBook 700 series laptop and it's the HP 745 G6. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and show you the features of this laptop. In the front you can see the model number, which is the 745 G6. Now let's quickly open the box and show you the content. So first we get the user manual and then we get some recovery disk along with the Windows 10 media disk. And then here we have the power adapter, which I will show you in a moment. Now let's look at the laptop itself. Looking at the design first, HP 745 G6 EliteBook has an aluminum body and it's lightweight and weighs only 1.48 kilograms. On the top you have the HP logo, which has the chrome finish on it. Overall, in terms of design and build quality, I find this laptop pretty good. And like the previous versions, the EliteBook definitely feels premium. In terms of the ports and features, on the right side of the laptop we have the charging port, Type-C port, and then we have the docking connector, RJ45 for LAN, HDMI port, USB 3.1 port, combo headphone jack, and finally the SIM card slot for LTE connection. On the left we have the Kensington lock port, air vent, USB 3.1 port, and the smart card reader. At the back of the unit we have the stylish EliteBook logo, and here in the front we have the status LED light for power, network, and the hard drive. Looking at the bottom, we have raised rubber feet and the grill for the ventilation. Now let's open the laptop and look at the keyboard and touchpad. We get the HP Premium Collaboration keyboard, which is spill resist and it's also backlit. During our testing, we find the keyboard really good and very comfortable to use. There is some key travel, which personally I don't mind. And also, there is no flex in the middle of the keyboard. Overall, the keyboard on this laptop is really nice and feels premium. The size of the keyboard and key spacing is also good. Above the keyboard you have the power button, and then we have the Bang & Olufsen dual stereo speakers. And here you can see that it comes with a fingerprint scanner, which adds to the security and convenience. Now about the touchpad on this laptop, it's of decent size and you also have these two physical buttons above the touchpad. The touchpad feels smooth and gives you a satisfying feel when you use it. It's a glass touchpad and also supports precision driver and gestures. Overall, I find the touchpad and keyboard quality pretty good and it does feel premium and elite. Now let's talk about the hardware configuration of this particular unit. So the one we have here comes with the AMD Ryzen 5 Pro 3500U processor and it's coupled with the Radeon RX Vega 8 graphics. The CPU has the base clock speed of 2.1 GHz and with the boost, it can go up to 3.7 GHz. It's a quad-core processor with 8 threads. Apart from that, you have different processor models such as Ryzen 7 Pro 3700U. And talking about the memory, we have 8GB DDR4 24MHz RAM, which is upgradable up to 32GB. And in terms of the hard drive, it's available with up to 1TB solid state drive. The display of this laptop is a 14-inch Full HD IPS anti-glare screen and the refresh rate is 60Hz. But there are different screen options available, such as you can select higher nits display from the 400, 700 and 1000 nits option. The side bezels are thin, but we have thick bezels on the side of the screen. On the bottom of the screen we have the HP logo and on the top we have the HP world-facing camera. This camera also comes with the privacy shutter. Overall, in terms of the quality and performance, the viewing angles are good and the brightness of the screen is 250 nits. Now let's talk about the performance of this laptop. EliteBooks are known for the enterprise level security and the security stack includes 3 categories, which is device, identity and data security. This laptop also comes with a TPM 2.0 embedded security chip, and also HP has introduced other security features such as HP Short Start, which is specifically for AMD processors, and it helps you to secure your PC the moment you start your PC from BIOS to browser. Apart from that, you have the HP SureView, a privacy feature which reduces the visual light, making it difficult to see from the sides. HP SureSense uses a deep AI learning to provide you the exceptional protection from malware. Then we have the HP SureClick, which protects your PC from web-based attack from unintentional website visits where ransomware or malware may be hidden. Apart from these amazing security features, the laptop offers wide range of connectivity option. So as mentioned earlier, you have the LTE support in this laptop and you also get these dedicated buttons for calling on the keyboard. For office use, you can also connect this laptop with a docking station using a docking port or the Thunderbolt port on this laptop. The HP world-facing HD camera on this laptop is pretty good for video calling. And I must tell you that the mic clarity is also pretty good. The 3 multi-array mics on this laptop offers noise cancellation, which is really good for video calling and voice calls. In terms of the wireless connectivity, you get the Wi-Fi 6 support in this laptop, which offers 3 times faster file transfer speed. Now talking about the battery performance, the 3-cell 50 Wh battery in this laptop is good and you can easily get up to 10 hours of usage time. The laptop also comes with this 65 watt power adapter, which means you get the fast charging support and in just 30 minutes, you get 50% battery backup. Overall, the HP EliteBook 745 G6 is a premium laptop which is well built and the design is really good. This laptop is thin and also lightweight. I've been using this laptop for few days for daily office work and the AMD Ryzen Pro series processor in this laptop performs exceptionally well. The performance of this laptop is pretty good and with the HP security features, this laptop is perfect for professionals and office users. The display quality is good and the battery performance is also pretty decent. So to sum it up, if you're looking for a premium notebook for your day-to-day work and you also want a laptop which looks and feels elite and premium, then do check out the HP EliteBook 745 G6 series laptops. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the HP EliteBook 745 G6. Let us know if you like this laptop and also do tell us your favorite feature of this laptop in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off and I'll see you in the next one.